Lesson 2, Chapter 1 for Grade 3. The duration of this lesson is for one period, and the objectives are review skills learned in grade 1 and 2. No need for software for this lesson, and at the end of this lesson, students should be able to name main hardware components and their utility. In addition, they must know the flow of data and information between the different components of the computer, between the input device, the output device, and the system unit. And by explaining the above diagram, and of course they should be able to write a complete sentence like the one I'm showing you right now. So back to the lesson. Of course, you have to start this lesson by a conversation, a dialogue between you and students, by asking them to name some hardware devices, and each time they name a device, they should tell you the use of this device, for what it is used. Like here we have in front of us the mouse, the keyboard, the headphones, and of course you can add another hardware device from your own. At the end of the first page, you have to ask them why a scanner is used and why a printer is used. This will be an introduction to what we call an input and output device. Again, you have to start with, and by moving to the next page, this diagram, where on the left we see input devices, on the right output devices, and in the middle we have the system unit. You have to explain them how data and how information passes from input to output devices. Remind them about what is data by giving example about sound, movie, text, pictures, and ask them to draw arrows between the input, the system unit, and the output device on how information will flow from one side to another. And of course we have to explain at the end the diagram, students must not memorize but understand and try to explain and try to write in a good way the below. The information entered the computer case through different input devices. It is processed in the system unit, then it exits and will be displayed on the output device. And here you have an exercise to fill the blank with the above text or keywords that are text, screen, printer, sound, microphone case, and so on. So once you are sure that your students can do this exercise, it means that it's okay with them, the skills are acquired, and you can move forward with another skills. If you have an extra time remaining, you can launch the jCompris software and practice some activities like the keyboard or the mouse. Of course, we are providing you with the interactive PDF file in case you are teaching students online, so they can fill this sheet and send it back to you.